Cynful cheesy wiggle tails tonight. Real quick, throw together dinner. Start out by putting your meat in your Instant Pot or crock pot. Now, in an Instant Pot, you can put it in when it's slightly frozen, which I did here. Go ahead and season with salt and pepper to your taste. And then I added about a teaspoon of garlic powder and about a teaspoon of onion powder to this. Now you need a little liquid in the bottom of your pot in both the Instant Pot and the crock pot. So I went ahead and added my chicken broth and my Texas on the plate Soppin sauce. About a third of a cup of Soppin sauce. Now I added my dried minced onions. And then finished it up with some chili powder. Again, about a teaspoon. That chili powder on there. So in a crock pot, you're going to cook this for anywhere from 4 to 6 hours on high. In an Instant Pot, we're going to do it for about 45 minutes on pressure cook. We're going to let it release on its own about 25 minutes, or in a crock pot you can just do it. Stir it up and then add our pasta. Now we've had the pasta cooking in the background for a bit. Stir that in, add your cheese, and stir that in until the cheese melts and coats the pasta. And that's all there is to it. I do have a link to a printable PDF file in the description. But here's your recipe anyway. I would like to thank you guys for joining me in my kitchen today. Please like and subscribe. And as always, have an awesome day.